Talofa lava. Good afternoon, my friends and families all over the world. Yeah. Fatu, Kiorana, Kiora, Maori, Malo Elele, Pulavinaka, Talohani. Pacific greetings to all. Yeah, okay, mga mamay ngay. Okay, so, kiro fia ay. Oh, so, kaaki ako yale. Lepak ke KFC kamalo ale. Manang faanga udungal laula. So, ole ala wa ay ka ko KFC. Ay ole ala ukala. Eko akele aka kole ole Facebook ma e fai la ko Faasoa I me fa polokiki e fai la ko Faasoa I me ai ole fai la ko Faasoa I so fua malolo ina, which is good. Elelei. Elei mse meleanga I meanga. Yeah. O melelei malava. Yeah. La kaika Faasoa, awa kaika. Ka ke ai se mea. Fai ole ai se mea. Al ai keli. Yeah. Kova ai mai. Kau ako lalo ai olo au vai yo. Kau la au ko au vai po lalo kau ko. O fia ka malo le fanga ui. Mena yo vai vai mo. Oh, sorry. I've got friends Bula Bomani, I've got friends from Fiji, so I have to speak in the language where they understand what I'm doing. So, hello to all. What I was just saying is, so many people, they were talking about politics, they were talking about health, they were talking about losing weight. To me, I'm just talking about anything else. So, what I'm saying is, how's Ratu's appointment for money? What I'm saying is, because I love my food. I love to eat. Do you see this? This is because. This is because of eating too much fat food. This Kamaloa, this man of mine, is feeding me fat food like fat KFC and ulbwa and yeah. That's why I'm having this and I'm trying to get rid of this. This fat thing that this man is feeding me with fat food. For money, I am eating KFC. Do you see? That's what I'm talking about. This man is feeding me this, and that's why I'm saying he is giving me this, this thing, this fatty thing. Yeah. We blame him. We blame this man. He went to the meat shop to get a headpick, the puaka, the puaka, to buy a puaka, and then he couldn't get one then he went to the KFC and buy this. So, it's not funny, poor money. I'm trying to lose weight here. And look, I'm eating fatty food. You need to tell your brother here that he needs to feed me healthy food, you know. So, yes. But that's why when I come to work, you feed me healthy food. And I love your cooking, my sis. When I come home, I don't want to eat because this man is feeding me fat food like KFC, elengi or big heads, pork with belly, lots and lots of unhealthy things. And that's why I'm having this. I'm trying to get rid of this. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Sotatale. So yeah. My talk is about Samoan language because when we talk about food, so we will talk about mea ai. Food in Samoa, mea ai. So, for those in America, and Africa, Australia, and China, any part of the country that they want to go visit Samoa, and when you go to Samoa and somebody say talofa, it means hello. So you say back talofa. Talofa. It's not talofa. It's not talofa. It's talofa. When somebody say how are you, it means oa mai oe. How are you means oa mai oe. And then you say manuia fa'afetai. Manuia fa'afetai. We'll just start with simple things. I just don't want to go deeper because this is just the first level for our tourists, for the people, my friends, that they ask if we can go to Sa. But yes, if I'm going to Samoa next time, I'll invite you to come. You can stay with me and my family, or you can choose to stay in a hotel or motel or a resort, anywhere. You choose. But I'm just starting to tell you things that you need to know when you go and visit my country. Saying hello is talofa. Saying how are you is oa mai oe, means you reply manuia fa'afetai. When they say goodbye, it means tofa soifua. And when they say are you hungry, it means ua e fia ai. And I'm saying yoe waka fia ai, veleka akiela ka mea ai. So, I'll see you later after having dinner and we'll talk more. But, ciao. See you later, alligator. Hi, Sophie. Bye.